And we're just trying to.
No, I am not taking over you. I just want to sit there and chill. You're trying to cuddle me.
Let me just play.
Can have real results, like skin that's still more clear.
Hey, cuddle me.
Don't
I
need severe
have
allergy to
please.
eye problems.
Alright, what is it?
You should try vaccine when treated with Eplis. Before starting Eplis,
Why there's a camera on my face? Get it off of me.
A message from CSL Bearing. You may have seen a commercial for Hizentra immune globulin subcutaneous human 20% liquid, approved to treat primary.
Okay, leave it. Get that camera off my face. Get it off. I'm choking.
Wait, no.
I'm getting straight.
It's important to know that blood clots can occur with immunoglobulin
I'm cleaning hey, Dapper, what are you doing? Okay. Hey, buddy. Will you try to cuddle me or something? Come on, cuddle me. Blah, 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 look, 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 look.
She was. Okay.
Nah, I like the apples, buddy.
No.
Okay, I like the apples, buddy. I like the apples.
Stop.
Stop, teach you, buddy. Stop fighting with you, I'm a dog. Stop fighting me. Stop.
Stop!
Stop my nippers. I'm hungry. And I don't want supper.
Stop! Put it. Put it.
Brings home a
I what? Move out the way.
No.
Move.
Hey, fine, you freaking loser.
Put it. You're safe.
Thank you so much.